always better.
Uh-oh, I made everything worse.
The kingdom is testing our hearts.
The door can wait. Are you okay? We didn't even touch it. Kindness opens every true door.
Jump alone. Leave everyone behind. I can cross first. Nia. I thought I could help later. Sometimes later is too late.
Let's cross together. That's a better choice.
Tell them you never make mistakes. I always make the best choices. Nobody is perfect. You're right. Sometimes I choose the easy way, but I want to learn.
That is real courage.
Few children pass the first 3 trials.
We almost failed.
That is why you succeeded.
You have done well, but
Take the gold. You will become rich.
The gold looks amazing.
Look at its eyes. It needs food, not treasure. Gold cannot feed a hungry heart.
I chose the wrong thing again.
You can still make it right.
This belongs to our new friend. Kindness is worth more than treasure. Let others work. You deserve to rest. Maybe someone else can fix it. Please help us! I made things worse. Let's repair it together.
I'll hold the gears.
Good choices keep time moving forward.
Did you really say that?
No.
This maze lies.
Trust the voices.
Maybe you don't believe in me.
Finn, please listen to me.
These voices want us to argue.
I trust my friend, not the voices.
And I trust you.
Trust is stronger than fear.
You're using the kingdom's magic?
Long ago, I was one of the kingdom's guardians. Now prove you can do what I could not.
Take the brighter seed. It grows faster.
It looks stronger.
Sometimes the quiet choice is the best one.
Fast success often hides a problem. It only grows for itself.
Did it work?
Good things sometimes take time.
Kindness always grows.
Keep the feather. It gives you power.
Maybe I still need it.
You promised.
I'm sorry.
A promise is more important than magic.
Now you carry something even stronger. Take the crown now.
We haven't finished the journey.
You already deserve it. It's too heavy. A true leader earns the crown.
I am not ready yet.
None of them were defeated by monsters. Then what happened?
They were defeated by their own choices. You only have enough magic to free one person.
Who should we save first? Let's think about who needs help the most.
Take it. You will be safe.
I forgot about everyone else. She needs this more than I do.
Thank you. I lost my star necklace.
Forget the necklace. Take the sword.
The necklace protects our village. This sword was never meant for me.
Here it is.
Honest hearts always find the right treasure. How do we open it? Perhaps you cannot. Everything is your fault!
Hatred always builds another wall.
You tempted us, but we choose forgiveness. Everyone deserves a chance to change.
Stand, my old friend. You know him? He was never your true enemy. He has been testing every future guardian.
What is happening?
For many years, the kingdom's darkness was hidden.
No more challenges. No more mistakes. Take everything you want. It would be so easy, but it feels wrong. A crown without friends means nothing. Knowledge without kindness cannot help anyone.
The shadow can only disappear when all three choices are made together.
We are ready.
Choose the story you like. Neither one is completely true. I make mistakes, but I can learn.
Leave her behind. You can win alone.
Winning is not important if my friend is left behind. Run away! You cannot defeat me!
Being brave doesn't mean I am not scared. Courage means doing the right thing anyway.
You don't have to stay darkness. You can choose a better path too. Nobody ever believed I could change.
You found the greatest magic.
Good choices?
Good choices and a good heart. Finn and Nia, from this day forward, you are the guardians of good choices.
We didn't become guardians because we were perfect.